After the Netherlands put into effect new restrictions on exports on the 30th of June, a backlash from China commenced, causing the situation to intensify. Yet the U.S. unceremoniously shifted accountability, with media reports insisting that the prohibition on exporting lithography equipment was wholly the Netherlands' choice, using them as a fall guy. So what really transpired here? Hello? And welcome back to Innovative Check, YouTube channel where we delve into the innovative and transformative projects changing our world. Please subscribe, like, and comment to boost our videos. Now, let's begin. When alterations in chip regulations proved ineffective, the U.S. modified its approach, initiating a three-party pact with Japan and the Netherlands to govern semiconductor fabrication gear. This move aimed to suppress China's semiconductor sector's growth. If chips symbolize the foundation of contemporary industry, then lithography machines hold the status of the epitome of semiconductor fabrication. For conventional silicon-based microchips, the lithography apparatus plays an irreplaceable role in the fabrication stage. ASML, the global leader in lithography equipment production, manufactures several hundred sets of deep ultraviolet lithography devices annually, with intentions to produce even more in the coming years. ASML's capability to manufacture these numbers owes to massive market necessity. They had scheduled to supply 100 sets to China, expecting a total revenue of 860 billion renminbi. Nevertheless, the possibility of punctual delivery remains uncertain because of the limitation pact inked between the Netherlands and the United States. In an unexpected twist, Biden altered his stance, insisting that the embargo on lithography tools was the Netherlands' autonomous decision, leading the Netherlands to exclaim their deception. ASML's lithography apparatus, a pivotal component in chip production, crafts exact wafer blueprints. Countries worldwide, including China, are hastening their indigenous chip development efforts. Thus, ASML's machines are their preferred choice. However, obtaining ASML's high-end machines, specifically UV lithography equipment, is challenging due to strict regulation by the U.S. and the Netherlands. Years ago, an export prohibition on UV lithography equipment by the U.S. stymied ASML's sale attempts to Chinese firms. Moreover, starting from the 1st of September, the Netherlands will enforce export licensing for specific lithography equipment. The nightmare scenario that ASML dreaded has materialized, despite ASML's warnings to the U.S. about potential worldwide chip supply chain disruptions. The U.S. interfered with the Netherlands' trade policies, hindering exports to China. This ban has critically impacted ASML, mainly by causing a drastic dip in sales, with their business heavily relying on lithography machine sales. Any delay in delivery could harm revenue, profitability, and even negatively influence its fiscal health and share price. The secondary issue pertains to the industrial chain. ASML's devices are essential in chip creation, and delays can cause severe disruptions, potentially leading to delayed or canceled orders and harming the entire supply chain stability. The liability for ASML's financial suffering logically falls on the U.S., who coerced the Netherlands into the restriction agreement. However, the Netherlands never anticipated Biden's sudden reversal, nor that U.S. media would place full blame on them, leading to their publicized feeling of betrayal. The Dutch should have recognized that the U.S. would not prioritize ASML's interests. Otherwise, they wouldn't have consistently obstructed ASML from accessing the Chinese market. The Netherlands' misstep has enabled the U.S. to curb other nations' growth, trapping them in a scheme designed by the United States. If the Netherlands can abolish the constraints on high-end lithography equipment before the impending deadline, it may recover from the situation and prevent further deterioration. Chinese chipmakers must then recognize the necessity for self-sufficiency in advanced technology. strengthening independent ride and enhancing vital technological prowess. Such self-reliance can be fostered through various means: augmenting investment in fundamental research, cultivating top-tier scientific personnel, fortifying foreign cooperation, and establishing a comprehensive industrial ecosystem. Perhaps China can also boost domestic market competitiveness through foreign collaboration and increased efforts to broaden international markets. The Netherlands' edge in lithography isn't everlasting. China's position as the largest global consumer of chips presents opportunities. There's reason to believe that the issue of lithography machines will find resolution, given coordinated effort, while the US, Japan, and the Netherlands appear to have reached consensus on advanced chip equipment shipments. Underlying interests are likely tied to UV lithography control rather than speculated agreements on DUV lithography devices. If future export of these devices is banned, China's independent rod may accelerate, potentially leading ASML not only to lose its current market, but face fresh competition. The situation that the US feared most seems to have arisen post-ASML's statement. Should shipments of DUV lithography machines remain unhindered, China can progressively mitigate the chip ban's impact by leveraging matured process technology. Last year's reduction in chip imports by 97 billion pieces, the domestic production of certain chip products, and the waning demand for advanced process chips in the market can be leveraged to alleviate China's chip shortage. What are your thoughts on global chip development? Share your views and insights in the comments section below. Your subscriptions and likes motivate us to generate more content, so please keep supporting us